Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can activate your DoorDash Crimson Card. So it's a pretty simple process, and first of all, to get your Crimson Card, to activate your Crimson Card, you'll have to use your DoorDash Dasher app. So you won't have to download any separate application to access all the DoorDash Crimson features. You'll easily do it from the Dasher app, which you already have. Simply just go to the Earnings tab over there and tap the DoorDash Crimson option, and after that you'll see all of the DoorDash Crimson options that you can see, and you'll see that easily in your DoorDash Dasher app. Now first of all, you'll need to apply for a card. Of course, you can simply just do that by searching up how to apply on Google, and after you apply for a card, you'll order a physical card. Of course, you must have already gone through the application process where you've sent your DoorDash card to apply, and what you're going to do is you're going to wait for your physical card to arrive. Now it usually takes 7 to 10 days, and once your physical card arrives, then you'll be able to activate your Crimson Card. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the details on your physical card, and after that you're going to go on your Dasher app. You're going to go on the Earnings tab as I told you before, and from there you'll be able to see DoorDash Crimson, and once you press on the DoorDash Crimson, you'll see all the DoorDash Crimson Card options, and from there you'll go on Activate Card. Now once you go on Activate Card, it will ask you to verify your details. Those details should match the details that you already gave on your physical card. That must be your date of birth, your name, your account card number, your expiry date for the card, and your CVV. So you need to make sure that these details match, and you're going to add these details once you're activating your card through the Dasher application Crimson Card option. Now first of all, you're going to add your name, then you're going to add your date of birth or any other verification that they ask for, and once you're done with that, you're simply going to add your card number, its expiry date, and its 3-digit code. And once you do that, it will send you an email for verification, or it will either verify you directly, but you need to add all of these options, and once you do that, your card will be activated. So it's as simple as that. You'll be able to do it through the DoorDash Dasher app once your physical card arrives. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.